Welcome. In today's quick Telegram tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the chat wallpaper just for yourself, without affecting how it looks for the other person. This is perfect if you want a more personalized chat experience, while keeping things unchanged on their side. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, head over to the specific chat where you want to change the background. This can be a private conversation, or even a group chat. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu. This will open a list of options related to that chat. From the menu, tap on Change Wallpaper. Telegram will now show you different wallpaper options, including built-in backgrounds and colors. To make it more personal, tap on Choose Wallpaper from Gallery. This allows you to pick any photo directly from your phone. You can select a favorite picture, a minimal background, or anything that fits your style. Once you've chosen your image, Telegram will give you a preview of how it looks in the chat. Adjust it if needed, then tap on Apply for Me. And that's it. The wallpaper will now be updated only on your side of the conversation. The other person will still see their own background, unchanged. This feature is great if you like customizing your chats without affecting others, especially in professional or group conversations where consistency matters. Try it out with different images and see what works best for your chats. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips to get the most out of your app experience.